We'll go over some of the top screen protectors in this video to assist you in selecting the ideal screen protector for your GoPro Hero 13.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Sonova Screen Protector. One of the best options for protecting your GoPro Hero 13 is the Sonova Screen Protector. This screen protector, made of tempered glass, is well known for its strength and clarity. It provides strong defense against smudges, scratches, and drops. The GoPro Hero 13 Tempered Glass Protector's 9H hardness provides exceptional defense against drops, scratches, and scrapes, ensuring that your GoPro Hero 13 Black remains flawless, even under challenging circumstances. Superior clarity and definition. Staver 99.99% high-definition transparency, while keeping your GoPro Hero 13's original image quality. The oleophobic layer keeps your screen immaculate by repelling sweat, grease, and fingerprints. The GoPro Hero 13 Black's complete functionality is preserved while receiving the highest level of protection thanks to the incredibly thin 0.3mm GoPro Hero 13 screen protector glass. Cleaning wipes, dust removal stickers, and a microfiber cloth are usually included in the kit to ensure flawless, hassle-free application. Additionally, the screen protector has edge-to-edge coverage, offering complete defense for the GoPro Hero 13's front and rear screens. On number 2, we have Bavugec Screen Protector. For those who want to protect their GoPro Hero 13, the Bavugec screen cover is yet another fantastic choice. This screen protector, which is made of premium tempered glass, offers excellent protection against dings, scratches, and general wear and tear. The original viewing experience is preserved by high transparency, offers you exceptional transmittance and a high degree of screen color restoration. Constructed from tempered glass with a 9H hardness, this device can effectively shield it from unsightly scratches and bumps. Keep the response sensitivity at its initial setting to ensure precise and fast typing, as well as seamless gaming and video viewing. It is simple to install, and cleaning up tools are included in the package. Apart from being clear and lasting, the Bavugec screen protector has an oleophobic layer. Especially during outdoor adventures when dirt and grime are widespread, this unique coating helps resist oils and lessens the look of fingerprints and smudges, making it much easier to keep your screens clean. On number 3, we have FitStill Case with Screen Protector. For those looking for complete protection for their GoPro Hero 13, the FitStill Case with Screen Protector is an excellent all-in-one option. This solution makes sure your GoPro is protected from all sides by combining a sturdy protective case with premium screen protectors. Extreme sports fans and adventure seekers will find the FitStill Case ideal because it is constructed of robust materials that can survive harsh conditions. The FitStill Case's precise design, which precisely matches the GoPro Hero 13's curves, is one of its main advantages. By doing this, you may use all of the camera's features without taking off the case because it guarantees that none of the buttons, ports, or screens will be obstructed. The tempered glass used to create the supplied screen protectors has a 9H hardness grade, providing dependable defense against dings, scratches, and other possible harm. An anti-fog insert is another feature of the FitStill Case that is especially helpful when filming underwater. This insert provides crisp, clear video even in humid situations by preventing condensation from building up on the camera's lenses and screens. The oleophobic coating and excellent transparency of the screen protectors also help to preserve the clarity of your footage while deterring smudges and fingerprints. So these are some of the best screen protectors to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.